issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, Belmer, Manasquan Inlet, Ocean Gate, Pine Beach, Point Pleasant Beach, Sandy Hook Reef, Sea Bright, Seagirt Reef and Silverton until 5:30 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Silverton, moving northeast at 30 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.